One day Bob was chatting with his friend Tina about class notes. His mother come home and saw he did not get the vegetables from market yet, so she gets angry. Soon he gets ready and went to the market. While going market, he saw a robber taking money from a boy and making him hurt. Then Bob quickly turned himself into a savior and saved the boy. There's a gunshot happened, and people...
The video you just saw, it's interesting, right? You know that video is made by Canva. How we can make a proper cartoon animation video in Canva? Let's see. So before start, I would like to let you know that the tool for the voiceover I have used here, I already make a video where I have shown you in my YouTube channel that how you could get a free AI voiceover. So you can check out this video or this video. From here you will see how to get free AI voice from text to speech. Anyway, let's come over to Canva and we'll select a video. Okay, now we'll get a video background and the time is there 5 seconds anyway. So we'll search for home in elements. So we are gonna choose a home that is suitable for our project. Now here we are supposed to show our character who working in a sunny day in his home. So we will make this happen here. So we are going to add elements for sunny day. What we can add a sun outside of home and clouds in sky and birds, and we can add also trees, or we can add rivers or background for the home background. We can add like grass or mountains. Okay, it's up to you. You can make it more realistic or better for your viewers. It's all in your mind how you will arrange. Okay, set the position here. So we'll set it behind our home. Now it's look more good, and we will set the time here for 3 to 5 seconds. So we'll not make it more. Now here we'll search for a bird and add here. Okay, so make sure all the elements that you are adding, it's go with your project.